Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this star-shaped coaster by Crochet. Let's get started. Row number 1, magic loop with 5 single crochet. And end of the magic loop, you have to slip stitch to join them. I just made chain 1, then 5 single crochet into that circle. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, and 2 more. And if you don't know the magic loop, I will write the link to show how to do the magic loop. So I pulled the tail, and whichever moves, you pull. Okay? And it's gonna be circle with 5 single crochet. Then slip stitch with the first single crochet to join it. There you go, that's the first single crochet. Then now make slip stitch to join. There we go. That's row number 1. Then row number 2, chain 3. Then you make double crochet, but you stop halfway. Making double crochet into same stitch. You pull 2 stitch, then stop. Then create new double crochet into same stitch. Pull through 2, then now 3 stitch on the hook and pull through 3. Then chain 3. That's the first one. You need 3 stitch on the hook. And now you need 4 stitch on the hook. I'm using next single crochet in previous row, then making half double crochet and create second double crochet, pull through 2, now 3 on the hook, but you make another double crochet, and it's gonna be pull through 2, it's gonna be 4 stitch on the hook and pull through 4 and chain 3. So you have to repeat this technique, the 4 stitch on the hook, the last part, and you need make 3 more, and I just did. Then chain 3, then slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 to join. Okay, that's row number 2. So row number 3, after you join the end, into next stitch, you make another slip stitch. After you join them together, another slip stitch. Then there's 3 chain space. Into that 3 chain space, 1 more slip stitch. Then finally you start chain 3, and this count as 1 double crochet. Then 2 other complete double crochet, into the three chain 3 space. Okay, second double crochet, then chain 3. 2, 3. Then 3 double crochet into same chain 3 space. 1, 2. I'm making corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. That's how you make the corner. Okay, there you go. And next, chain 3 space. You do exactly same thing. Okay, 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, then chain 3, then another 3 double crochet into same chain 3 space. Creates another corner. And every single chain 3 space you have to do this in row 3 because you need 5 corners. Okay, corner to corner you don't need to do the chain 3. Okay, so this is end of the row 3. This is end of the row number 3. Just slip stitch onto the top of chain 3. Okay, and row 4, slip stitch into next stitch. Then chain 3 to start. Then double crochet into next stitch. And here comes chain 3 space. 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. Then chain 3, then another 3 double crochet. Create the corner. And after you create the corner, you make double crochet in next 2 stitch. Okay, so double crochet into next stitch, then 1 more double crochet in next stitch, then you skip 2 stitch, then the third one and fourth one, 1 double crochet each. Then here comes corner. Okay, 2 skip stitch, then double crochet in each space 2 times, then corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Then this is end of the row 4. 2 double crochet, next 2 stitch, 1 double crochet in each, then slip stitch into the top of chain 3. There you go. So looks like a star shape. After this, it's pretty much same to do. Row number 5, slip stitch again into next stitch, then chain 3 to start. Now double crochet each next 3 stitch. So if you count from the chain 3, now you have 4 double crochet, then corner. Same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 3, then 3 double crochet into chain 3 corner space. Okay, if you want to make corner, you always do 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into the same chain 3 space. There you go. Then double crochet each next 4 stitch. After you double crochet in next 4 stitch, here comes 2 skip stitch area. So there you go, that's the one. Skip 2 stitch, then 4 double crochet, which is 1 each next 4 stitch. After this, just keep repeating because the corner come in, so which means chain 3 space. After this, it's so simple. You join beginning and ending and with slip stitch, then you slip stitch into next stitch again, then chain 3 and double crochet in each space until you hit the corner, and 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and double crochet until the 2 skip stitch. Then you skip 2 stitch and double crochet until next corner, something like that. And I'm actually putting the marker for every corner to make sure you don't skip the corner. Sometimes if you just focus making double crochet, sometimes you skip the corner, then it's gonna be different shape. So I'm actually doing the corner section right now. So I did the last double crochet into same chain 3. You don't really need the corner marker, to be really honest, because it's the shape is very obvious. Again, this is end of the row 5. After the making corner, you just keep making double crochet into each stitch, but please don't forget to skip stitch just before joining. Okay, this time after the corner you make 4 double crochet, then you have to stop, then join them together with slip stitch, then row number 6, again slip stitch in next stitch, then chain 3. There you go. Then chain 3. And row number 6, it's gonna be 6 double crochet before the corner. But again, the first chain 3 you have to count as 1 double crochet. So I just making 4th double crochet, 5th, and 6th. Then here comes corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet those pattern in same chain 3 space. An important thing about this star shape, please do not forget to skip stitch in between corner and corner. This two skip stitch create the star shape. If you forget about those two skip stitch, it's gonna be just a pentagon shape. So if you want to actually make the pentagon shape, don't skip stitch, just keep making double crochet in each. But because of I want to make the star shape, you have to skip 2 stitches right in the middle of between corner and corner. Okay, and that's about it.